Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today I will be walking you through one of the most important pillars of modern DevOps, continuous integration with Jenkins. My focus is to help you understand not just what Jenkins is, but why it has become the backbone of automated software delivery across the industry. Let's begin. Jenkins is essentially the automation engine that powers modern software development. At its core, it is an open source automation server designed to coordinate and streamline every major step in the development lifecycle. What makes Jenkins indispensable is its ability to automate repetitive tasks, building, testing, and deploying code with consistency and precision. Instead of developers manually triggering processes, Jenkins does it for them continuously and reliably. This cut down human errors, speeds up development cycle, and ensures software is always in a deployable state. In a DevOps ecosystem, Jenkins plays the role of an orchestrator. First, it manages CI/CD pipeline end to end, from the moment code is committed to the point it's deployed. Second, it ensures rapid and reliable integration. Whenever a new code is pushed, Jenkins checks it, tests it, and highlights issue early before they escalate. Third, it standardized workflows. With automation, teams no longer depend on manual steps or inconsistent process. And finally, it improves team velocity when feedback loops shrinks from hours to minutes. Release naturally become faster and more collaborative. Jenkins stand out for several reasons. It has mature ecosystem of more than 1800 plugins, making it adaptable to almost any workflow or tool. It is highly customizable. Whether you prefer declarative pipelines or fully scripted automation, Jenkins supports both approach. It works with any programming language or framework, which is why both startup and large enterprise rely on it. And being open source, it comes with two huge advantages: zero licensing cost and a massive active global community that continuously improves that platform. There are some major strengths that give Jenkins its edge. The first is scalability. Jenkins allows distributed builds across multiple agents, which reduce build time and handle large complex projects easily. Second, it tightly integrates automated testing and deployment into the pipeline, supporting continuous quality and rapid delivery. Third, it integrates seamless with tools like Git, Docker, Kubernetes, and many more, making it a central hub for DevOps operation. Fourth, it have flexible deployment option whether it is a container or cloud. Jenkins has an interesting origin story. It began in 2004 at Hudson, created by Kusuke Kawaguchi at Sun Microsystem. After Sun was acquired by Oracle in 2010, disagreement emerged about the project's direction. The community responded by forking the project in 2011, renaming it Jenkins, a move that reinforced its independent community driven philosophy. Today, Jenkins stands as one of the most influential tools at the CI/CD ecosystem. While Jenkins is hugely powerful, it is not only the CI/CD solution. GitLab CI offers built-in integration with GitLab and strong DevOps features. GitHub Actions provide automation directly inside GitHub, making it extremely convenient for repository-centric workflows. CircleCI is known for speed, optimized caching, and high performance in cloud environment. Each tool has its strength, but Jenkins remains most flexible for custom pipeline and large-scale setup. To summarize, Jenkins continues to be a dominant CI/CD tool because of its automation capabilities, extensibility, and strong community support. It helps its teams achieve true DevOps maturity by enabling faster release, higher reliability, and fully automated delivery pipelines. If the goal is to build consistent, repeatable, and scalable software workflows, Jenkins remains one of the most reliable choices by the industry. Thank you everyone. If you have any question, feel free to ask. Let's update our Ubuntu server. Now let's create a simple volume for Jenkins. And now let's run Jenkins inside a Docker container. Name Jenkins, port 8080, and it is in the volume Jenkins home. Now let's check if Jenkins is running. Yes, Jenkins is up and running. For the next step, let's find our IP. Type IPA and press enter. You will see your IP under ENP0S3. Now go to your host machine browser and enter your virtual machine IP following by 8080 port. You will see Jenkins browser interface, and now we will need administrator password. For the password, type this command and hit enter. You will see a 32-digit password. Copy the password and paste the password into your browser. Press continue. Now we are inside Jenkins. Let's install suggested plugins. Plugins are installing. It will take some time. Now let's create a fast admin user. Fill out this form and click save and continue. Click save and finish. Now click start using Jenkins. Jenkins is ready. This is your Jenkins dashboard. We have new item, build history, build queue, build executor status, create a job, set up an agent, configure a cloud, learn more about distribute builds, and we have settings, profile, etc. Now let's create a new job. I'm giving it a name, Hello Jenkins. Select a type, freestyle project, and click OK. Now you can enter a description. Go all the way down and click add a build step. I am choosing execute cell. Now I am giving a simple command to print Jenkins, Hello Jenkins, which is echo Hello Jenkins inside quotation. Click save. Now build this job. Click build now. In the left side you can see the build is done. Click the build number and console output, and you will see Hello Jenkins and finished and success, which means the job is built successfully. Let's install Git in our Ubuntu machine. I have already Git installed. Let's configure our Git. I am giving it a username and email. Let's go to GitHub and create a new repository. I am giving it a name, which is Jenkins demo. Now create repository. Now add a new file. I am entering a sample content. Let's name it hello.txt. Commit the changes. You can also add description. Let's refresh the page, and under code section, let's copy the URL of the repository. In Jenkins, let's create a new job. I'm giving it a name, git pull demo. Select a type, freestyle project. Click OK. You can give it a description. Under source code management, I am choosing Git, putting the URL of our repository, and go all the way down. Add a build step. I am choosing execute shell and giving command for listing all the files and print the text inside hello.txt. Otherwise, print hello.txt not found. Click save. Now let's build this project. There is an error. There is a error related to our branching. Let's configure this project. Here the branch name is showing master, but we are inside main. Let's change the branch name to main and save. Now let's build this job again. This time build is successful. Let's show the console output. Go all the way down. It lists all the files and printing the content inside hello.txt, and it is success. Thank you for watching. I appreciate your comment.